Welcome back to The Wonderful Life. We're Tim and Deanna. As the NCL Bliss arrives to its final port of its 7-day journey to Alaska, Victoria, British Columbia, we take in views of the city and a rather stunning sunset over the mountains. We can't wait to get off the ship and show you around. So, let's go.
We made it off the ship in Victoria, British Columbia.
All right, they have all the rides and tours and such off to the right.
Yeah, this is kind of cool. They have a bunch of people waiting for you to get off the ship. They've also got shuttles. We are trying to find a way to walk. I'm assuming that there's a walk path.
I'm thinking we just have to
There we
get
go.
over there somewhere.
There's also taxis, and you can rent bikes. And the rickshaw thing I think is funny.
I smell horses.
I do. I think that there were horse-drawn carriages.
If you want to really do this in style, I guess there's horses around here somewhere. Yeah, like we said earlier, the Jersey Boys is worth every minute.
Oh God!
We saw it, went back to see the end of the second performance.
No question.
It was better than the show we saw in Vegas years ago.
Beyond good.
Yeah, we saw it at the Paris Casino years ago, and it was good, but this was stellar.
Highly recommend. It got dark really fast.
Yeah, beautiful sunset as the ship came in.
I was just going to say that. It was gorgeous.
Holland America came in right after us. I videotaped that as well. I could see the horse trailers are all lined up. Got a sign that says to downtown Victoria if you want to walk it. There's also kind of a map that explains where Fisherman's Wharf, Beacon Hill Park can be found.
That's a good point. We should probably look at
James
this.
Bay Village, all of the main sites other than downtown itself. So here we are walking in the dark, but we'll pick this up when we reach the downtown area.
Yep, we will continue on a little bit.
All right, bye-bye. We've reached the Fisherman's Wharf section here.
Yeah, about a 15-minute walk.
We are at Fisherman's Wharf, and this is our dinner or just a snack, but it's pretty big. This is a poutine, which is a specialty.
It's a Canadian specialty. Let's go ahead and try it. Looks like there's cheese or something on it too, and green onions. That's good.
It's decent.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Got a gravy on there too.
I like it.
It's a beautiful night. I'm comfortable wearing shorts out here.
70 degrees right now.
In Canada, who'd have thought?
So,
See you in a bit.
bye.
They're so pretty. Hi guys. They've got antlers and everything.
They look young. Be careful.
Watch out for cars, you guys. Careful of cars. Stay safe.
So we have made it to downtown Victoria, British Columbia in Canada, and we walked over to the Parliament building. It's beautiful. There's a big water fountain in there, and it's a cute area.
Everything's, the whole building is got lights on it.
I would say probably a half-hour walk from at least the cruise port that we were docked in. It took us about 15 minutes to get to the Fisherman's Wharf place, and probably another 15 minutes to get here. We did have a deer sighting along the way, so that was fun.
The sound of the fountain. Wow, that's really something. That's called the Empress Hotel down there, which is a
Oh, I see.
very
Pretty.
grand, and there's a big statue up ahead.
Yeah, who knows who that is? I guess we'll find out.
It's a shame we're here in the dark. Can't
Yeah.
see a lot of this.
We do know that in Victoria there's supposed to be some amazing botanical gardens that are obviously closed by the time we get here. So we'll not be able to see that. But if we ever come back,
We're in the darkness.
it's definitely something that we should try and see.
But yeah, that was interesting. We've seen that right away. We've had poutine already. Let's see what's next. Bear claw might be a tricky one.
No, they're beaver tails.
Or beaver tail.
I thought they were bear claws, but no, they're beaver
It's a different
tails.
animal.
Completely
Body part.
different, but I think it probably tastes exactly the same. World War I, World War II, Korea, and Afghanistan. And I don't see Vietnam there, so maybe they weren't in Vietnam.
Yeah, a lot of flowers.
Flowers everywhere.
We have gone down by the harbor, got a little video in front of the little Light Up Canada sign. And Deanna, of course, spotted a Starbucks.
Let's
Almost,
see if they have a cup. Or you are here cup.
particularly this particular place
Yeah.
rather than just Canada or something
Agreed.
in general.
Oh, they might be closed.
They're closed.
Never mind.
You can't win.
Oh well, life goes on.
And another
Want some
bear.
maple cream cookies?
Yet another stuffed bear. It's hopping. I like that. Classic. Oh, maple cream cookies.
I bet they have maple ice cream.
That's what everyone's eating, probably. Well, here's kind of indigenous looking apparel. That pattern. The whales and such. Chocolate shop.
In town.
Well, it's very classic style, very small. There's a big moose named Bruce. We stumbled upon beaver tails, and there's a dog getting one.
I see that. I do feel like it might.
What looks good to you?
Oh my. Not what I expected at all. Look, they've got the poutine here too.
Looks very interesting.
Aw. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi. Can we do one maple and one bottle of water, please? Hi, guys. So we came across a BeaverTails, which is, I guess, kind of a Canadian staple. It is a pastry. You got a maple flavor, and there's got powdered sugar on it. Probably gonna take a picture, show in case this doesn't turn out, but yeah. So they kind of spread on maple something and sugar and powdered sugar, and it's fried dough.
Yeah, it's a maple. What did they say? Maple flavored spread and maple sugar flakes.
All right, ready?
I smell the maple for sure.
It's soft dough.
That's light.
Very light. So we're just sharing one. There's $7-ish, Canadian dollars. They also sell poutine here. So we could have just come straight here.
I suppose, but
Who would have thought?
like
They
that.
have classic, and they have, I saw something with turkey bacon on it, hot dogs, and yeah,
Even a
spicy
beaver dog.
honey. Beaver dog is a Nathan's hot dog wrapped in this pastry.
And they've got all kinds of little beavers, and they're little plush beavers and squishy beavers.
I am making them up. Very typical.
Especially we did the sleeve and then exposed our beaver tail. A little done with that.
A little bit.
And we gotta finish up our beaver tail.
And then start heading back towards the
So
ship.
we've achieved all of our goals. I got
We did.
some souvenirs for the first time on the entire cruise for myself.
No, we didn't get a Starbucks cup though.
Yeah, the thing was. We got our poutine, we got our beaver tail. Score on all fronts here.
Yep, gotta try the local food. Always. See you back on board. Irish store, huh?
Right after we returned from Ireland,
Yeah.
we see a.
Sweaters there. Have one of those at home.
Yep. Got the vest, I got the hat.
It looks almost
Yeah.
identical to stuff that we bought out there.
A lot of ice cream shops. So many dessert items in one place.
Yeah.
Looks like a shopping mall. This big building on the right.
Yeah.
We'll head down to the water and
Yeah.
find our way back to our cruise ship, hopefully.
Look at that. Wow.
It's a wonderful
That's
life.
crazy.
That's what this is.
Is it?
That's Uncle Billy.
Oh, it is. That's so funny. It certainly is.
The Bailey building in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a lot of European architecture throughout, and it's real classic. 1900s, early 1900s. Just the use of light, I think, is really kind of clever throughout this community. All the trees are lit, all the buildings are lit. Makes the harbor kind of cozy. With a nice glow off of the water. You can see the reflections of the buildings and. Yeah, welcome to Victoria in
Victoria.
Begonias.
That's pretty cool.
So pretty with all the lights on the trees.
I think it's pretty.
They plant a lot of flowers here. Yeah,
Everyone's taking pictures.
everything's got lights on it. It's almost like a Christmas
Yeah, but it's not.
feeling. I know, it's just how they. And there's tours of these homes and buildings and such. That is the Pendre restaurant. It's part of the Huntington Hotel. Alright, we are returning to the ship. We've made our long walk. They do have a gift shop here right at the pier.
Oh yeah, I see
They got a
that.
currency exchange.
Huh.
It's kind of handy. Yeah, there's a princess ship, which is, of course, the closest to the town, as we've found on every single port stop along the way. The Holland Euro Dam is right in front of us, and then to the far left,
There's the
we find
NCL Bliss.
yeah, the Bliss is always the
Wow, there's
furthest.
a long line over here.
And that's a wrap from the Norwegian Bliss. We finished up our evening in Victoria, British Columbia. Long walk. We walked over 21,000 steps today, completely exhausted.
Only, 9.5 miles or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's a pretty little town. I wish there was more time to spend there. I wish it was brighter. I'd like to see it. No, the people I spoke to said it's prettier at night, but we didn't have enough time to really
It was
hit
very pretty,
everything.
I liked it.
Yes, the Starbucks was a bust again, just like Ireland
10
all over again.
minutes. Oh, well.
Yeah,
It is what it is.
yeah, if we could have gotten down there first, but that's not a huge deal. We'll be back, I'm certain, because nearly every Alaskan cruise has to stop here. Yeah, we got everything we wanted to get done in the short time we did have. We got our poutine. We got to sit along the waterfront and eat. We got our beaver tail.
Yes.
And I got a souvenir shirt, and we got a few other things here and there.
Yep.
Said goodbye to a friend that we'd met on board.
From Washington.
Yeah, he was
Thaddeus.
at the local.
So nice meeting you.
The room worked out fine. I wish the bed were by the
window.
I like
or
that.
the door, I guess.
Yeah, I like that better because it's a straighter line to the bathroom, and you don't have to go around anything.
Yeah, it's a little close to the closet. That's my side of the bed anyway. It's fine.
You never know when you're booking it which way the room's going to face and how it's going to be designed.
But I am glad we upgraded to a balcony because we originally booked an inside room, but we did get a deal on this cruise for sure. We had some cruise credits to use, and we had coupons to use. So
I won't forget sitting out on the balcony watching a glacier approach and watch icebergs float by and seeing a whale here and there.
In general, though, I mean, the itinerary was good, and we've mentioned it before, other than the short days in port and being furthest from the towns from NCL. But I love the ship. I love the Bliss. Love the observation lounge. The entertainment was amazing. Jersey Boys today was phenomenal. Better than, I mean, we've seen it before, and it was better than the last time we saw it in Vegas. The food's been good. I haven't had any real issues with food at all.
Service good.
Regular main dining room and specialty dining.
We got to reconnect with some crew members we'd met on past sailings on different ships, and that's kind of nice. And
shout out to Pearly in the wine bar, and hopefully we'll see you on the Aqua.
But yeah, not a whole lot I would have changed. I wish we didn't have all the camera difficulties we had along the way, but that was hard to avoid. It's some kind of a glitch. We'll see what we can do in post-production stuff, but it should be fun to watch it all again, and I hope you enjoy watching it all as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for supporting us and watching our channel, and please hit the like button and subscribe because it helps our channel grow, and we really appreciate you guys.
All right, and so that's it from Victoria, British Columbia, and we'll be in touch with our plans for the future in a few weeks.
Soon.
Good night.
Good night.
We've got our luggage. We are going to be some of the last people off the ship.
Yep.
Very relaxed. Wake up. Heading into Seattle. Weather looks pleasant. A little chilly. Had our breakfast at, well, I don't know, savor and taste. It escapes me which is which every day.
I think it was taste, I think.
I'm going to check to see if the Starbucks is open before we bail. It doesn't look like it.
It's closed.
Yeah, we're having bad luck with Starbucks on this cruise. Universally.
Oh well.